Welcome to Data Science and Analytics, where numbers tell stories, patterns reveal insights, and data drives decisions. Whether you're a student exploring tech, a professional looking to reskill, or just someone curious about how companies like Netflix, Amazon, or Spotify make smart decisions, you're in the right place. In this course, we're going to demystify the world of data by walking you through three powerful pillars: data analysis, data engineering, and business intelligence. What is data science and analytics? Let's start with the big picture. Data science and analytics is all about extracting meaning from data, turning raw information into valuable insights that people and organizations can use to make better decisions. Think of it as a process. First, you collect data, then you clean and structure it. Next, you analyze it to find patterns and trends. Finally, you use those insights to inform strategy or action. This isn't just about big tech companies. Today, data powers decisions in healthcare, finance, education, sports, entertainment, and even agriculture. No matter the industry, data is the common language behind innovation. Data analysis, let's dive into our first core area, data analysis. This is the stage where we make sense of data. Analysts clean it, organize it, and use tools like Excel, Python, R, or SQL to explore trends, visualize relationships, and draw conclusions. Imagine you're working for a fitness app and notice a spike in user signups. Data analysis helps you understand why. Was it a marketing campaign, a holiday trend, or a bug in the system? Data analysts don't just crunch numbers. They ask questions, spot patterns, and help teams make evidence-based decisions. If you love puzzles, storytelling, or uncovering the why behind what people do, this might be your zone. Data engineering. Next, let's talk about data engineering, the backbone of the whole data world. Data engineers build the infrastructure that collects, stores, and processes data. They work behind the scenes, designing pipelines and databases that keep everything flowing smoothly. Picture a streaming service like Netflix. Every time someone hits play, that interaction becomes data. Data engineers ensure that data is captured, cleaned, and stored in a way that analysts and scientists can later use. They work with technologies like SQL, Hadoop, Spark, Airflow, and cloud platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. If you're into building systems, optimizing processes, or solving technical challenges, this is where your skills can shine. Business intelligence now, onto business intelligence, or BI for short. BI is where data meets decision-making. Business intelligence professionals use tools like Power BI, Tableau, or Looker to create dashboards and reports that help companies track performance and plan next steps. BI is all about turning insights into action. Say you're working in retail. A BI dashboard might show that a particular product is flying off the shelves in one region, but not in another. That's critical information for sales and supply chain teams. BI roles often sit closer to business stakeholders and require a strong understanding of both data and strategy. If you enjoy translating technical information into practical decisions, BI might be the perfect fit. So how do these three areas work together? Think of it like this. Data engineers build the roads. Data analysts drive the car and interpret the scenery. Business intelligence tells the organization what direction to go next. Together, they form a complete data ecosystem where tech and strategy come together to create powerful data-driven change. And the best part? These skills are highly in demand, and the opportunities are only growing across industries and around the world. This course is your first step into the exciting, fast-moving world of data science and analytics. Whether you're aiming to become an analyst, an engineer, or a business leader who understands data, you'll build real, transferable skills here. So get ready to explore data sets, work with tools, ask smart questions, and uncover the stories that numbers are trying to tell. Welcome to the course. Let's begin. And hey, if you're watching this as a video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Comment your biggest takeaways, share this with a fellow learner, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next data drop. Let's make learning data simple, practical, and powerful.